Now, this the second time I've seen it, but it's a state police car parked out in a parking lot. Now, the guy above me, usually he make a lot of noise. First time the cop was parked out there, you can see the lights flashing. I thought it was an ambulance, because ambulance usually be coming here a lot for, I guess, older people or whatever. But this nigga was quiet as fuck. He didn't hear shit. I think he's quiet right now too. He was making noise earlier, but I'm like, come on, man. If police looking for you, they gonna find you regardless of you being quiet or whatever the fuck. I just be like, it should be stupid with these niggas. I don't know what it is. It'd be like, oh, look at me, I'm making noise. Uh, I don't know why they there, but this shit is funny to me, man. These motherfuckers don't even want to come and talk to the people about shit in this place. No way. Police don't be coming here. They don't want to do their jobs. I was surprised to actually see the car out there. It parked in the same spot. Not that I care. I can't watch TV and do what I do. Shit, they know where I live at. Cause a lot of them they'll ask you for your license and shit. Not that shit matter to me, but I can show you. Now look. Which I think is absolutely great. There's a lot of motherfuckers up to no good in this play anyway. So they need that kind of presence.